Okay, food review time. Today I have found something really interesting, to say the least. This hamburger in a microwave. Our from Dafgård. Hamburger. Our selected hamburger in brioche bread with cheddar cheese, dressing, cucumber and onion. Okay. So this must count as a crime against humanity, right? I mean, you don't put the burger in a microwave. Let's open it. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Well, the picture looks nice. Let's open it. So we got our cheese and bread, the patty and onions and dressing at the bottom. Okay. Well, let's see the back. Beef 98%, salt, black pepper. Yeah, it looks good. Reheating. Take off the plastic, heat the burger in a sealed box in the microwave for 2 minutes at 750 watts. Let's stand in the box for a minute before you eat. The burger can be, what's the word? Defrosted in the fridge up to 48 hours before heating, and heat it in the box without the plastic for a minute if it's defrosted. Anyway, let's see what this menace has to offer. 1 second. And the moment is finally here. So let's see. Okay, so we got, the bread is soft, the cheese has melted, and there is our sauce. Well, only one way to find out how it tastes. So let's taste it, I guess. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Yeah. There are two things that doesn't work with this, and that is burgers and microwaves. First off, we have a soft bun with a hard bottom. The meat is tough, kind of chewy. Yeah, so when you bite into it, you can only taste the meat. And the meat is not good. I don't taste any dressing. I don't taste any cheese. I just taste this. This rubber. See, it doesn't want to come apart. It's so tough. Ugh. Like a fucking shoe. Yeah. And this burger was expensive too. It cost about 30 SEK, which is about £3 or something. Yeah. It's a disgrace to food, and you should be ashamed if you eat this and enjoy it. Anyway, that's all I had. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!